Is it time to buy or sell MULN Automotive stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MULN Automotive. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of April, 2025, our system has ranked MULN Automotive as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.45. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 3.9% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 100% to 325.81%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of negative 63.68%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 100% to 4,231.72% over the next year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price between $0 and $94.43. Our latest daily update from MULN Automotive includes the headline, "Volatile Ride from MULN Automotive Stock Price on Friday, moving between $2.02 and $2.88. The MULN Automotive stock price gained 5,955.56% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, rising from 3.6 thousandths of a dollar to $2.18. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 42.57%, with a day low at $2.02 and a day high of $2.88. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 1,795.65% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 68 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares bought and sold for approximately $9,330,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $785, while the lowest was 3.5 thousandths of a dollar. Currently, the price is 99.72%, or $782.82, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $45,180,914.82, below the all-time high on the 5th of August, 2020, when the price reached $45,180,917. MULN Automotive is currently facing significant challenges as a series of class action lawsuits have been filed against the company and its officers. These lawsuits are based on alleged violations of federal securities laws, impacting all individuals who purchased MULN shares between February 3, 2023 and March 13, 2024. As investors are notified by various law firms about their legal rights, this situation is likely to create heightened volatility in the stock price in the short term. Adding to the complexities, MULN has announced a reverse stock split effective today. This decision, while sometimes employed to boost a company's stock price by reducing the number of shares outstanding, can also signal financial distress. Both factors could lead to increased selling pressure from investors wary of legal repercussions and a declining business outlook. In the longer term, the class action allegations could not only impact investor confidence, but also potentially result in financial liabilities should the company face judgments or settlements. Compounding this is MULN's recent partnership with N-Power Green Tech to produce advanced solid-state batteries. While this is a positive step, it remains to be seen whether it can offset the negative sentiment from ongoing legal issues. Overall, MULN's prospects reflect a precarious balance of potential innovation against the backdrop of legal challenges. significantly affecting market perceptions and stock performance in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of November, 2022, it was reported that Citigroup assigned MULN a reduced grade accompanied by a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned MULN Automotive stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MULN Automotive. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 77.98%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Currently, MULN Automotive stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there is an overall sell signal stemming from the relationship between these signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of 36 cents and $1.01. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. Thus, it's advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal that occurred 39 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal noted 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal also noted 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 25 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average. Buy signal observed 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal noted 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MULN Automotive. MULN Automotive finds support from the cumulated volume at $2.15, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movements during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 86 cents between its high and low, representing an increase of over 42%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 30%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MULN Automotive, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their influence. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and raise concerns about possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MULN Automotive. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MULN Automotive is at $2.36. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MULN Automotive encounters its first support level at $2.15. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MULN Automotive from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 4th day of April in the year 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider sell of 2,012,436 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd day of April in the year 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider buy of 546,706 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd day of April in the year 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd day of March in the year 2025, Mary Winter conducted an insider buy of 62,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th day of March in the year 2025, Mary Winter conducted an insider sell of 62,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 48.691. Overall, insiders purchased 190,918,796 shares and sold 67,050,264 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.08, which represents a decline of 4.68%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, contributing to a significantly elevated level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, is at 91, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 38 days ago. Is MULN Automotive stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of April, we expect MULN Automotive to open higher by 180 thousandths of a dollar and start trading at $2.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.